Dear mothers, wish you happy Mother's Day. I hope by now you're enjoying the Mother's Day because it's especially made for you. It is told that heaven is underneath the feet of mothers. Also, it is being told that God could not be present everywhere, so He created mothers so that the mothers could represent Him in every home. Mothers are the storehouse of joy, patience, kindness, laughter, perseverance, and experience on top of all. Mothers are the real peacemakers. Mothers are the solace, an eternal solace for the pains and sorrows of their children forever and ever. Mothers have such a high station that it's not only for this world, but it's for all the worlds of God. The soul of mothers are blessed. God is granting special blessing to the mothers because they have undergone a lot of suffering, a lot of pain, and a lot of challenges in bringing up and raising their children. That's why they deserve the blessings of God and they deserve His confirmation. Mothers are the cause of honor not only for their own family, not only for their own nation, but they are the cause of honor for whole humanity. That is why we say mothers are the real peacemakers, because they will never agree that their children have conflicts, they will have fights, or even their children go to the battlefield. Mothers are the first people who will stop their children from going for war and for battlefield. And that is why they are a source of peace, and they would be the ones who will establish universal peace on the earth. So dear mothers, be happy, be joyful. This is a bounty that God has conferred upon you, and let every day be a special day for you. Let every moment be a joyful moment for you, and let every day be Mother's Day.
I wish a very happy Mother's Day to all the mothers in the world, for whom I have dedicated a poem titled Your Mother is Always With You. She is the whisper of the leaves as you walk down the street. She is the smell of certain foods you remember, flowers you pick, the fragrance of life itself. She is the breath in the air on a cold winter day. She is the sound of the rain that lulls you to sleep, the colors of the rainbow. She lives inside your laughter. She is the place you came from, your first home. And she is the map you follow with every step you take. She is your friend, your first teacher, your first love, and even your first enemy. But nothing on earth can separate you from her. Thank you.
Hello everyone and happy Mother's Day to all the mothers out there. Mothers are the integral part of our life. They stand throughout our life and are strong pillars of our life. So now I would like to read out a small poem written by my niece to me. Thank you, Mom, for your unconditional love and making the base of my personality tough. Thank you for always being my inspiration and making every day of my life an occasion. You are the one who not only stands with me during good times, but also when the whole world is against me, you are the one who confides in me. You are the person who gives me the love and strength when I was tired to retire, like the wings which guided me to fly. This poem is as small as an ant in comparison of all your love so abundant. Thank you. And this poem is dedicated to all the mothers of the Blossomites, my mother, and the mothers of the world. Thank you all.
नमस्कार। मदर्स डे यानी मातृ दिवस। मातृ दिवस माँ के सम्मान में मनाया जाता है। छोटे हो या बड़े, माँ को हर वक्त अपने बच्चे की चिंता होती है। स्कूल जाने से पहले घर में जीवन का जो पाठ पढ़ाए वो होती है माँ। गिरकर जो उठना सिखाए वो होती है माँ। रात को देर तक पढ़ाई करने पर जो हमारे साथ जगे वो होती है माँ। रिजल्ट आने से जिसे हमसे ज्यादा खुशी हो वो होती है माँ। पापा से गलतियों से जो बचाए वो होती है माँ। हमें परेशानी में देख जो बिना बोले समझ जाए वो होती है माँ। माँ को परिभाषित करने के लिए हमारे पास शब्द भी कम पड़ जाएंगे। इस मातृ दिवस के अवसर पर मैं भी अपनी माँ के लिए और दुनिया की सभी माँओं के लिए एक कविता समर्पित करना चाहूँगी। माँ के होते जीवन में कोई गम नहीं होता, दुनिया साथ दे या ना दे, पर माँ का प्यार कभी कम नहीं होता। घर में रहें, सुरक्षित रहें। धन्यवाद।
ମା ତୁମେ ମମତାର ରୂପ, ମା ତୁମେ ସ୍ନେହର ଅରୂପ ରୂପ, ସ୍ନେହ ରୂପୀ ଛବି ତୋର, ଆଖି ଆଗେ ନାଚେ ମୋର, ଦେଖି ତୋର ସେହି କରମ, ମରମେ ଖେଳେ ତୋ ଧରମ, ଜଗତେ ଅପରୂପା ତୁହି, ତୋପରି ଆଉ କେହି ନାହିଁ, ତୁହି ସାକ୍ଷାତ ଈଶ୍ୱର ସ୍ୱରୂପା, ମା ତୁମେ ମମତାର ରୂପ। ମାତୃ ଦିବସ ଅବସରରେ ସମସ୍ତ ମା ମାନଙ୍କୁ ମୋର ଶୁଭେଚ୍ଛା ଓ ଅଭିନନ୍ଦନ।